Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are we're going to be making up our number concepts test from last Friday. And so many of you did very poorly, but many of you did very great as well. And whether you made a 0, a 10, 90, or whatever it is that you made, we can do better and we can reinforce our learning. So 8.2a was about number set relationships, and that's what this video is about. So number set relationships, we have sets and subsets of the real number system. Irrational numbers are numbers that can't be written as a fraction. Rational numbers can be written as a fraction. Integers are positive or negative numbers that are not fractions or decimals. Whole numbers are only positive numbers, and counting numbers are numbers I can naturally count to. Little secret, the only difference between counting and whole is that whole numbers have 0, because you can't count to 0. So, with that being said, the diagram shows a visual representation of the relationship of the subsets of the real number system. Blah, 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 blah. Which set of numbers does negative square root of 25 belong to? To answer that, we're going to need to come over here to our decimals calculator, type it in, and you'll get negative 5. If you don't know how to type it in, I'll show you. Negative square root 5. It equals negative 5. So now I'm going to use that information over here to think about which set would this belong to. Can I write negative 5 as an irrational number? Okay. Well, to do that, that means I couldn't write it as a fraction. And I can write negative 5 as a fraction. Negative 5 over 1. So it is rational. But integers are not fractions or decimals. Okay? And in its natural state, negative 5 by itself is negative or positive. Whole numbers are only positive, so it stops here at integers. Our answer would be D. You give this one a shot. Which set of numbers does negative square root of 144 belong to? Type your answer here.